Good morning, everyone. Today, in the chapter, we are going to learn about the infinitive. This session is for class 6 and 7, and this chapter is in one session. It means in today's session only I will complete the chapter. Now we will learn the what is infinitive. The infinitive is the base of a verb, often preceded by to. यानी जो टू के साथ आता है उसको इन्फिनेटिव बोला जाता है. द वर्ड इज टू frequently used with the infinitive but is not an essential part or sign of it. टू जो है वह किसी इन्फिनेटिव के साथ अक्सर इस्तेमाल होते हैं, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि वह हर जगह इस्तेमाल ही हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट हिम सिट हियर, बिड हिम गो देयर. These are the two examples where to infinitive is not being used. The infinitive without to is also used after the verbs will, would, shall, should, may, might, can, could, and must. These are some verbs where infinitive without to is used. For example, he can speak many languages, or the infinitive without to is also used after had better, had rather, would rather, sooner than, and rather than. These are the some other verbs. There are some other words where without to is used. Now, use of the infinitive, where it is being used. The infinitive with or without adjuncts may be used like a noun. For example, to find faults is easy. For example, as the subject of a verb where the word to is the subject, becomes the first word. For example, to find faults is easy. As the object of the intransitive verb. For example, he likes to play cards. Here, to is used as the intransitive verb. As the here it is used as the object of intransitive verb. Third point, as the complement of a verb. For example, her greatest pleasure is to sing. Here, the to is used as the complement of a verb. Means his singing is her pleasure, and that is why to sing is the complement. As the object of the preposition, for example, about to begin. Here to is used after a preposition as an objective complement. Objective complement, for example, we can say that I saw him go. Where he is going, after that we use to. Where he is going, the place is after that to. That is why it is said objective complement. When the infinitive is thus used, यानी इस प्रकार से जब किसी टू इन्फिनेटिव का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, then it is called simple infinitive. Now we will learn about the where it is also used. It is also used to qualify a verb, usually to express purpose. For example, he called to see my brother. To qualify an adjective. For example, the boys are anxious to learn. Here is the adjective. Here is we are using here to as an to qualify the adjective. To qualify a noun. This house is too late. Here to is used to qualify a noun, means that somebody wants to let his house, to give or rent his house. That is why here to is used to qualify a sentence. To tell the truth, I quite forgot my promise. Here is the quality of a sentence that somebody or subject forgot his promises, often forgot his promises to tell the truth. That is why this type of sentences is often called qualifying infinitive. Now we will learn that the infinitive may be active or passive. दो तरीके से इस्तेमाल किए जा सकते हैं, either active or passive. When active, it may have a present and a perfect form and may merely name the act. For example, what is the act? Here we in active voice the tenses that we learn. For example, perfect tense, simple tense, simple present tense, perfect continuous tense, continuous tense. These are the four types that we have learned in the tense. So in those four, if we are talking about the simple present tense, then we use to in simple sentences we use to love, or it just change the passive voice, then it will become to be loved. How does this active and passive be changed together? We will learn after when we learn about the active and passive voices. In there we will clear these how these sentences changes according to the tense and sentence. And for this, this is enough for the session to infinitive. Thanks for watching the video. Be at home, be safe. Thank you.